Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
This video is for May-June 2005, Paper 1, Question 7. So question wants us to make use of the above data to calculate the enthalpy change of formation for solid iodine trichloride. So we have ICl3 for iodine trichloride. So enthalpy change of formation is actually 1 mole of compound is formed from its element in their standard state under standard condition. So where here we have iodine trichloride solid. So the element to form iodine trichloride, we need I2 solid plus Cl2 gas. So to form 1 mole of ICl3, we need half moles of iodine solid and 3/2 moles of Cl2 gas. So we have I2 reacts with Cl2 to give 2 ICl. So but we have only half mole of iodine involved. So what we have here, it will be positive 14 divided by 2 to form 1 mole of ICl solid. So for the next information to go, so we have 1 mole of ICl solid to give us 1 mole of ICl3 solid. So it is just nice to react with Cl2 to give us 1 mole of ICl3 solid. So we have negative 88 for this reaction. So in order to get delta HF, so we will have the calculation where we have positive 14 divided by 2 plus negative 88. So the answer will be negative 81 kilojoule per mole, which is C.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.